Meaning of eCash.
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 eCash. eCash, short for electronic cash, refers to a form of digital currency that enables direct payments between parties without the need for a financial institution. It is a secure and convenient way to make transactions online or through a mobile device. eCash works by encrypting the information about the payment and verifying the transaction through a decentralized network. This results in faster and cheaper transactions compared to traditional forms of payment. eCash has become increasingly popular due to its ease of use and ability to operate across borders without the need for currency exchange.